keep up with the action. All right, here we go. Some Scots Central hockey playing the West St. Paul Warriors. Heat's not working in the arena, so I hope you're at home enjoying the warmth. We're all freezing out here. All right, we got our first line out there. Jacob Pizzega at center. Jameson, Kale, Will Chatterjee, and Quinn Winkleman. West St. Paul wins the face-off, but goes back deep into their zone. Rickson rips a shot. Oh, almost got a deflection in there. Another shot by Pizzega. Jameson back into the corner, drops the blue line. Will Chatterjee just dumps it in on net. West St. Paul comes up with the puck. Enters the Scots zone. Pizzega takes his guy down. Winkleman gets it up to the half wall to Jameson. Up into the neutral. Kale dumps it in on net for his line change. West St. Paul comes up with some speed. Soren Kruzager tries to take his guy off the plate. Evan Ship ties his guy up. Shot not handled. Stokes takes his man off the puck. Cross ice pass. That was Heinrich making his move into the offensive zone. Stokes tries to pressure his guy up into the neutral. Felix takes his guy off the puck. Stokes dumps it in the neutral. Heinrich gives chase. Putting some pressure, taking his guy deep, giving Scott's time to get down into the zone. Little misconnected pass there. Felix gathers it up, shoots it up to the blue line. Kanan chips it into the offensive zone, centering pass. Will Martin just couldn't grab that one. Big hit. Kanan takes his guy down. Chatterjee tries to keep his guy outside. Centering pass doesn't connect. Varun cleans up the slot there. Green up into the neutral. He's trying to get in. Gets rubbed off the play. Chatterjee just dumps it in. West St. Paul up into the neutral. Kishel took his guy off the plate. Varun settles things down. Green dumps into the neutral. Kishel heads up. Keeps pressuring his man. Takes him deep. Up into the offensive zone. West St. Paul goes. Rips a shot. Just wide. Chatterjee comes in. Shot doesn't get quite through. Up to the half wall. The blue line. Thrown back in. Pass deflected up and over the net. Brennan McMahon takes his guy into the boards. Winkleman. All right. Kishel putting pressure on his man again. Jameson Ademacher pushes his guy into the corner. West St. Paul can't quite clear it. Back behind the net, West St. Paul goes up to the blue line. Brennan ties things up, slows things into the neutral. Brennan bumps his guy off the plate. Winkleman ties his guy up into the board. West St. Paul picks the puck out. Jameson snakes a turnover. West St. Paul is looking for some space. Dumps it in. Nobody's home. Jameson creates a turnover, kicks it out into the neutral zone. Cale Rickson puts some speed on. West St. Paul shakes it up into the Scott zone. Quick rip. And we got Max in net. Makes a good save. 12:53 left in the first period, 0-0. Zega takes face off. West St. Paul comes up with it. Bruin pressures his man, creates a turnover. Kale Ricks into the half wall, heads up. Chips that one in.
I'll just jump on after one.
Okay. Puck came up into the crowd. Somebody's mom's not paying attention. Scots win the face-off. Kale Rickson heads down into the offensive zone, dumps it around the corner. Jamison Notamacher centering pass. Jacob tries to get one through. Jamison kicks it back to the blue line. Henry B. dumps her in. West St. Paul gets tied up. Zega puts some pressure on, creates a turnover. Stokes is trying to shake his man. Turnover. Up into the neutral zone they go. Scots regain possession. Stokes kicks it into the corner. Soren is down there to gather things up. A little battle in the corner. West St. Paul comes out with it, up to the half wall. Stokes is still putting pressure on. Quinn Winkleman gathers things up in the neutral. Little body contact here. Soren dumps her into the corner. Takes his guy down in there. West St. Paul comes up into the neutral. Offsides.
When he played before around here.
Lorena, the face-off dot, ties his guy up. West St. Paul dumps it in, and Scots gather. Kanan is in the neutral. Lorene tries to hold his guy off. West St. Paul comes up with some speed, walks the line, rips a shot over the net. West St. Paul back behind the net, looking for some space, dumps it to the blue line. Chippy shot, high stick. Scott's battle in the slot. Clear it. Icing is the call on that. All right, Brendan McMahon, the face-off circle. West St. Paul comes up with a quick shot on Max, deflects it into the corner, back to the blue line. Scott's trying clear. Back behind the net we go. Bruins battling. Isaac Miller's back there in the corner. Up to the half wall, to the blue wall, looking for a shot. Just wide. Brennan back behind the net. Gets a pass up into the neutral. Kishel is putting some pressure on. Turnover in the neutral. Felix throws it. Gets deflected back into the Scott zone. Jameson's applying some pressure in the neutral. West St. Paul just dumps. Felix taking two guys on in the corner. Gets some help from Pazega. Still battling in the corner. Trying to chip it out. Jameson heads into the neutral. Tries to get past one guy. Gets tied up. Can't quite get through. Scots apply pressure in the West St. Paul zone. Turnover. Pazega looking for some help. Jameson takes his guy on the board. Pazega walks it up, rips a shot, just wide. Chatterjee throws it back into the corner. Jameson's there to clean, kick it back behind the net. A little back and forth. Centering pass, just kicks behind the net. Rickson into the corner. Back to the blue line. Chatterjee is looking, rips one through, just right of the goaltender. Heinrich hustles. West St. Paul comes up with the puck, but Heinrich is still putting pressure on his man, chasing him down. Chatterjee tries to keep him outside, gets a shot in. Max makes 2 good saves there. Soren at the half wall, battling his man, throws it out for an icing. .753 left in the first period. Shots are even at 3-3. No score. We got Heinrich at the face-off circle. West St. Paul gets booted out. West St. Paul comes up with the puck. Scots pressure. Winkleman battling his guy, shakes him, picks up to the half wall. Soren can't quite connect. Turnover to West St. Paul. Bumped out of the zone. No icing on that. West St. Paul throws it around. Stokes is there to gather things up. He's in the corner battling. Takes a hit. West St. Paul playing catch behind the net. Highland applying some good pressure here. Soren creates turnover. Loreen tries to slow things up. West St. Paul's coming up with speed. Looks like Highland's getting called for a hook. Centering pass. Soren gets called 2 minutes for a hooking in the West St. Paul zone. 6:49 left in the first. Brennan McMahon to the face-off dot. West St. Paul comes up with it. Turnover, Kischel. West St. Paul regathers the puck. Oh, Brennan. Brennan wasn't paying attention on that one. Shot tossed on net. Brennan's battling, creates turnover, tosses it into the West St. Paul zone. Vroon down into the corner. Henry beat. West St. Paul's slowing things up, looking for pass. Quick shot. West St. Paul comes up with it. Centering pass. West St. Paul's doing a good job moving the puck around. Bruin heads off into the corner. Got 44 seconds left in the power penalty kill. Kischel putting good pressure on his man. Centering pass disrupted by Bruin. Quick shot. Rebound. Max comes up with it huge. 26 seconds left. All right, Kane into the face-off dot. West St. Paul comes up with it, dumps it to the blue line. Quick move. Max seals the court post. Net comes off. "15 seconds left in the penalty kill. Kanan back to the circle. West St. Paul comes up with the face-off. Circling, centering pass, nobody home. Chatterjee ties his guy up. Isaac tosses the puck in the West St. Paul zone. West St. Paul comes up with some speed. Circling back to the blue line. Into the slot he goes. Winkleman tosses it out though. Jacobs battling his guy. Quinn comes to help out. Back to the blue line. Blue line to blue line. Isaac disrupts for much needed line change there. Will holds his guy out. Centering pass just right of the net. Chatterjee, Kale centers. Jameson, he's got some speed, total slash. West St. Paul's going on the penalty kill. Jameson had to step on his guy and he gets totally slashed. All right, Jacob Pizega steps up to the circle. Back to the blue line. Felix is looking for something. Rips it off a shin pad. Shot chipped and deflected. Cross ice pass to nobody. West St. Paul tosses it into the Scott zone. Felix plays it. Varun's back to help out. Tosses it up into the neutral. Felix back into the corner. Scott's having a little bit of trouble setting things up here. Gets it up to Kale. Kale makes his way into the offensive zone. Nobody else is down there. Very slow line change. West St. Paul comes up with some speed. Felix is holding his guy out. Centering pass. Henry B takes it, kicks it up the half wall. We got Heinrich into the offensive zone he goes. Stokes is down there. They get a little tangled up. They keep it into the offensive zone though. A couple of big checks there. Back to the blue line. West St. Paul gathers it up, 2-on-2. Chatterjee takes a swipe at it to slow things up. West St. Paul creates a turnover there, but Stokes is down there to try and regain possession. Comes up with it. Chips it in off of Soren's back. Back into the Scott zone we go. We got 2 minutes left in the first period. Up to the half wall. Heinrich heads up. Gets taken off the plate. Isaac Miller's in the boards. Chatterjee tosses it back to Henry B. Henry gets it up to Kanan. Kanan couldn't touch the puck, so we get called for an icing. Scots are having a little bit of trouble generating offense. West St. Paul is all over the place. Leering to the face-off dot. West St. Paul comes up with the puck. Walks it in. Shot deflected. West St. Paul back behind the net. Quinn bumps his guy to slow things up. Gets the pass off though. Isaac at the half wall gets tied up.
No, they got the same thing.
Little battle there. We got 3-on-2. A lot of digging. Got a minute left. West St. Paul comes up with it. Oh, Max makes a great save right in front of his face. Maroon tries to chip it up to the half wall. West St. Paul holds his own. Green comes up with it, tosses it in the neutral. Cross ice pass in the neutral zone. West St. Paul dumps it in. Maroon heads to the corner. Gets tied up. West St. Paul creates turnover. Max just pokes the stick out. Back to the blue line, West St. Paul. Half wall, blue line. Chips it up. Doesn't get through. We're going to get a shot off here. Max deflects it. End of the first period, tied 0-0. West St. Paul's got 12 shots. Highland Central has 3.
Some days.
Well, Colin is here.
Am I being too loud?
No. I thought we were all huddling to be warm.
Good. You want us to squeeze in?
Yeah.
In the second period, still no score. Home team out shooting us 12-3 so far. That's Felix, gets his pocket picked at the point, and the Warriors on the rush. Shot goes wide. And puck at about the half wall. West St. Paul with it. And it's tied up on the end wall right now. And floated ahead. Puck in the corner in the offensive zone right now. It's Stokes trying to dig the puck out. And it's flipped over Henrik's head, and West St. Paul pushes it out and into the zone. And they blow a tire at the half wall, but still manage to get the pass down. Puck out to the point, sent back down low. Chatterjee picks up the loose puck, sends it against the half wall. Stokes evades his man and pushes it out of the zone. Henrik very nearly picks it off in the offensive zone, but the Warriors come back in the other direction. Now they're into the zone, and that's a great save by Max. The Warriors looking to freeze him and get around him with the backhand, but Max covers it before they can do that. 15:09 in the second period. Still scoreless. Henrik out there to take the draw. Got Soren and Felix out there along with Will Martin and Varun. Puck is loose in the slot. Warriors come up with it. They send it in, but Soren deflects it out to the corner. And now Soren pushes it out of the zone. Warriors pick it up. Cross ice pass. And Warriors kind of dinking around in front of their own net there. And they do manage to push it out through neutral ice. Now they've got a chance. Short side. That one goes high and wide. Soren pushes it out of the zone again. And now it gets dumped low, down low in the Scots zone. And Soren picks it up and flips it up off the plexiglass, down into the corner in the offensive zone. Kishel in pursuit. And West St. Paul going to clear the zone again. Pass is deflected off Varun's stick. And Varun backchecks and no, he doesn't. He gets penalized for that. Looks like it's going to be a holding call on Varun. That coming at 2:54 of the second period. Scots will go on the kill. Actually, I take it back. It's an interference call. So puck in the Warriors zone. And we tie them up in the circle. Puck back out to the corner. Now drop to the blue line. Sent over to about the half wall. Drop to the blue line. And they fan on it. Now we've got a chance. Kishel picks the pocket. He's in. And his shot goes, well, forced a glove save there. And Julian is down there battling for it to win it back. It's a good shorthanded opportunity there, but no dice. The Warriors have it in our zone. Their pass is deflected. And Alex comes up with it again, sends it forward through neutral ice. But the Warriors pick up the loose puck, and they're back on the attack. Alex tying up his man. Shot comes in from the blue line, and it's deflected, I think, off of one of the sticks. Might have been Julian. Alex pushes it out. Warriors take control again. Another blocked shot. This one, Felix's stick. Julian trying to clear. Now Alex pokes it free again and had a little trouble gathering the puck. Otherwise, he might have been in. About 30 seconds to go on this power play. West St. Paul into the zone, and they're tied up by Quinn. And now it's poked free by Felix and back out. West St. Paul in with some speed now, and they go short side. Max has it sealed. Brennan out at the dot, ties up his man, and the puck is tied up in the corner now by Will Chatterjee, along with a couple of Warriors. Puck at the point, Brennan cuts it off, pokes it loose down towards the corner. And we clear it. Brennan sends it all the way down. And that'll be icing. The power play is expired. So the Warriors racking up a big advantage in the shots on goal category, 17-4 in their favor. So it's going to be one of these games where the Scots need some help. Or I should say don't need some help. They need to get on the score sheet here. Despite the lack of shots. Got to be efficient with our shooting. Chatterjee picks up the loose puck in the corner. has his pocket pick behind the net, and Jacob back to help out. Puck dropped to the point and fired in. That one well wide of the net. Back around the end wall. To the point, and goes off of Jacob's shin pad or skate. West St. Paul trying to toe drag it in there, and they get tied up. Jacob drops his man. Puck at the point, and we're penalty coming. Or I think it's a hand pass, actually. Hand pass? Yeah. So this will come just outside of the Scots zone, the hand pass on the Warriors. 11:18 to go. Still no score. And Warriors win the faceoff and send it down with some heat into the corner. Felix back to contest. Centering pass is blocked. Soren down to the corner to try to dig it out. And Max plays it behind the net. We send it out. Warriors send it back down low. And we leave it for Felix. Felix with a cross-ice pass to Soren off of a West St. Paul stick. West St. Paul forced to retreat into their zone. Soren in pursuit. Puck behind the net. And West St. Paul skates out of trouble. And they send it down around the end wall. Kind of misplayed there, and puck loose. Henrik and Felix challenging for it. Stokes with it at the half wall. A couple Warriors coming across to get it loose from him. Up ahead to Soren, and he sends it down into the opposite corner. We change, and the Warriors with a long stretch pass. This one trouble. Varun doing everything he can to get back, and Max makes an outstanding save to keep this one scoreless. 18-4 shots on goal now. Max getting a lot of action out there. Julian on the faceoff. West St. Paul with it. Quick shot out of the faceoff. Not much on it, and sticked aside by Max. Will with it. Sends it to the middle, and it's picked off. Puck is loose in front of Max. Tons of traffic, and lots of bodies flying everywhere, and Max sprawls out to cover it. Julian on the draw. West St. Paul with the puck. They go to the half wall. Now they're walking into the circle. Pad save by Max. Rebound picked up by West St. Paul. And they leave it down low. Behind the net. Drop to the point. Will Martin in pursuit. And they send it back down around the net. Puck is loose. And puck into the slot, and a block from Chatterjee. West St. Paul floats it back down to the corner. Quinn picks it up, sends it around to Chatterjee. And West St. Paul holds the zone at the point. We're still trying to push it out of there. And big hit. Drops Will. But we do get the puck out of the zone. West St. Paul fires it back down. Chatterjee with it. And Chatterjee battling. Centering pass. That one loose for a second, but Julian poked it away. Puck at the half wall. No goal. I think it hit the post. Very close there. And Quinn's just going to send it out. That puck looked like it was out of the zone, but we don't get an offside call. Julian picks it up, goes behind the net, fires it out, and flex off a stick, but West St. Paul picks it up. Now they misplay the pass, and Kanan wisely dumps as we really need to get a change. Puck loose, picked up by Quinn at the red line. He fires it down with some heat into the corner, and their goalie plays it back behind the net. Alex in pursuit. They go D to D behind the net. Pushed ahead, and we do hold the zone. Henry pushing in, but West St. Paul comes out of their zone with some speed. And looking to toe drag through Felix, but no dice. And Felix ties up the play on the end wall. A bunch of players down there now, 4 or 5. West St. Paul drops it to the point. Now they're trying to walk into the circle. Shot comes in, stick save from Max. And Quinn just kind of tackles his man. Actually, that's Felix. And now the puck comes loose. Henry battling for it. Centering pass, stick to side by Max. And again, the rebound goes wide. 7 minutes to go in the second period. West St. Paul stick handling at the end line. They drop to the point. It's misplayed. Alex is going to try to chase it down. And Alex wins it. Alex is in now, and shot is saved. Isaac Miller comes up and pushes it back behind the net. Now a long stretch pass, and we're in trouble. And Max not able to save that one. Looks like they went 5-hole on it. That will be the opener for West St. Paul. So Max had already made 22 saves, was not able to save the 23rd one on the breakaway. That goal coming at 10:24 of the second period, and that will give West St. Paul a deserved 1-goal lead, as they are definitely dominating this game thus far. Jacob on the faceoff pushes it down into the West St. Paul zone. Kale into the corner. He wins the puck. Quick short side shot, and there was a rebound. Now Jamison gets on the end of one with a backhand. Scots with some immediate signs of life here. Chatterjay's shot is deflected. Varun sends it back down into the corner. Now Kale with it. Kale centering pass. Backhanded attempt from Jacob, and that one is saved. Jacob at the dot. He's got Jamison and Kale with him. Pushed into the corner. West St. Paul with it. Jacob giving chase. Jamison as well. And puck at the half wall. Little breakout pass. Now West St. Paul into the zone with speed. Centering pass. That one picked off by Jamison, who softly dumps it out of the zone and forces West St. Paul to retreat. West St. Paul breaks it out, and then they dump it down into the corner. Chatterjay with it. Sends it along the end wall. Varun picks it up. Loses the handle, and West St. Paul tied up. They get it out to the point. And shot coming in, that one gloved by Max. Henrik is out to center this line, ties up his man, and Soren trying to get on the end of it, but West St. Paul comes up with it, takes a quick shot, saved by Max. Max up to 24 saves. West St. Paul with the puck at the point, they send it down low. And Stokes bodies his man, but West St. Paul comes up with it at the point. Shot comes through a veritable snowbank there on the wall, and Max saves it. Henrik on the faceoff, pushed wide. The Warriors come out with it, and they're in the corner. Centering pass. Felix in the slot, sends it back out, but the Warriors with it now. Loose puck, Soren to ahead to Stokes. Soren trying to get it into the zone. Gets it there. Stokes trying to hold, but now the Warriors come back the other way through neutral ice. Warriors trying to gain the corner there, and they take a quick shot. Stokes stands up his man and Puck is loose and rolling back down to the end wall. Puck at the point. And they mishandle it, and it's out of the zone. And they go ahead for the dump and chase approach. Felix is going to gather it in the corner, or at least try to. And centering pass is a little out of the reach of the Warriors. They then shoot from above the slot. That one, easy pad save for Max. Puck now tied up on the sidewall. 4 players down there. And comes free to Quinn. Quinn trying to push it ahead. Warriors with the puck in the slot, and their shot goes wide. Quinn trying to tie up his man and win that puck back on the end wall. Henrik down to help. And Quinn playing physically to separate his man, but Warriors really battling down there for it. Henrik sends it back along the end wall, and Soren needs to get over there and gather it a little faster. His team not wasting any time gathering loose pucks. Shot comes in from the point, and it's deflected. Little tip from the Warriors, but saved again by Max. Shot comes in from the blue line through a bit of traffic. Max gloves it. 2:52 to go in the second period. 1-0 for the Warriors. 28-7 shots on goal. Jacob with the face-off. West St. Paul. Puck at the point. Kale just about picks the pocket. And Rister comes in. That one deflects into the netting. So we'll do it again from the far side in the defensive zone. And puck drop to the point. It's perilously close to coming out of the zone. And Jacob going to clear that one off the plexiglass. Jacob in pursuit. Jacob getting down to the corner. Jacob wins it. He's behind the net and elects to drop it to the point. Henry with it, sends it back down low. Kale now in the corner. Gets it to the point for Varun. Varun with a wrister, and that one gloved and saved. .2:14 remaining in the second period. Still 1-0 in favor of the Warriors. Jacob centering, Kale to his left, Jamison to his right, Varun and Henry at the D position. Kale wins it. Jamison slapping his stick, and he scores! Kale finds Jamison, and Jamison sends the one-timer home. That will tie up the score. That goal coming at 14:54 the second period. Great play from Kale and Jamison. Jamison calling for it, and Kale finding him. So despite being behind in the shots on goal count by 20, we find ourselves in a tie matchup here with 2:06 remaining in the second period. So Scots again showing some good resilience here. Julian out to take the face-off. He's joined by Kanan and Will Martin. Kanan eventually pushes it out of there and tied up at the sidewall. Warriors retreat into their zone. Now they break it out, and that pass goes straight up in the air. Varun picks up the loose puck, sends it forward. It kind of dies before it gets to Will, and the Warriors now in possession. They drop it into the corner, and now to the point. Back to the blue line. Centering pass, and they're going to score on that. Max was headed the wrong way to save it, and I don't know if it deflected off of Max or another player, but it ended up right in front of the open net, and Warriors had a player crashing the net, and he just made no mistake and put it away. So that one coming at 15:31 of the second. That'll make it 2-1. 30-9 shots on goal. Warriors lose an edge down there, and now they're going to take it behind their own net, try to skate it out. And they're out into neutral ice, now into our zone. Chatterjee stands it up. Chatterjee stick handling and then loses track of it for just a minute there. Now it's tied up. Alex Kishel over there to help. Comes loose to Brennan. Brennan goes behind the net. And Isaac gets it out to Alex, who clears it. And Isaac takes a big hit. Chatterjee sends it along the end wall to Alex. Alex trying to get it to Brennan, who was skating forward, but West St. Paul picks it off. Big slapper comes in from the blue line. That one well wide. Brennan picks up the loose puck. And this puck out to the blue line. Brennan trying to break it up, but it gets down and they overskate it. Chatterjee picks it up at the half wall, changes direction, and changes direction again to the corner, up to the half wall. Alex trying to clear the zone, and he does. Now West St. Paul fires it back in. Felix with the loose puck, and that'll do it for the second period. So Zamboni should be coming soon. And we'll see in about 12 or 13 minutes. 2-1 in favor of the home team, 30-9 shots on goal. All right, third period underway. Scots facing a 1-goal deficit. And it looks like our swing players are out, so hopefully that'll give us a little pep in our step. And right now it's Charlie Rust with it. He gets a shot on goal, and puck was loose for a second there, but then pushed out by the Warriors netminder. Henry back, icing waved off, and Henry turns under pressure and gets it ahead to the half wall. That's Charlie. He clears. And the Warriors pick it up at their own blue line. Breakout pass ahead, pushed into the zone, and now pushed out by Jamison, the goal scorer. Warriors send it back down low around the end wall. And shot comes through traffic, goes wide. Kanan's going to get across to clear it out of the zone. Pushed back in by the Warriors, and Felix makes no mistake and sends it down. That'll be icing. So the Warriors have tripled the shots of the Scots, 30-10. Max enters the period with 29 saves. Ship on the face-off. Shot comes in. Pad save by Max. Back out to the point and then sent down low in the corner. And Kanan gets it ahead to his brother, who sends it down low. And that puck just slides out. It's a little bit too far for Varun to reach. Henrik gets back, picks it up, and sends it all the way down. That should be icing. Will be. Julian comes out to take the face-off. He's got Chatterjee, Stokes, Soren, and Alex out there with him. Puck pushed all the way down, no icing, and Julian and Soren in pursuit. Warriors get it out of the zone, but it's off of a stick, and Kishel looking to pick it up. Gets it ahead to Soren. It's a little out of his reach. Julian comes up with the loose puck and sends it down low, and will chase. Stokes down into the corner to contest. Soren over to the half wall to pick it up. Whirls to avoid his man. Gets it back to Stokes, who sends it around the end wall. And the Warriors pick it up. They send it. It's kind of loose there behind the net, but then they gather it. And Soren picks the pocket, and he's at the corner looking to keep the play alive. Looks like he's being held. A little cross check there, but no call. And Soren wins it back again. Gets it to, trying to see who that was. That was Julian trying to get on the end of it. Now it's at the point. Chatterjee's shot goes well wide. And the Warriors will pick it up. And they fan on the breakout pass. Now they send it long. Should have been icing, but no call. And we push it ahead out of the zone. Chatterjee still battling. Now he loses his stick. And Warriors are in. And nice play from Max. He may have poked it out, but prevents the shot attempt as the Warriors were in on goal. Chatterjee with it in the corner. Goes D to D to Alex. Alex blows a tire. And Warriors have it. And sticked out by Max. Chatterjee looking to push it out of the zone, or at least up the sidewall. Chatterjee still battling for it, trying to dig it out. And now Brendan comes across, digs it out, gets it to Isaac. And now we clear. Alex sends it long, and that'll be icing. .45 to go, 2-1 in favor of the Warriors. 31-10 shots on goal. Ian Wallace comes out to join the party. He's at the dot. Warriors send in a shot wide. Warner in pursuit. Now Ian avoids a big hit, and we clear out of the zone. Finn in pursuit along with Charlie Rust. And the Warriors send it back down low. Ian picks it up, and he's battling for it. Ian's still trying to get it out of there. Gets it ahead to Charlie. Nope, that's Finn, sorry. Finn ahead to Charlie now. Now Charlie's going to get into the zone. Charlie holds up and gets a shot off from the circle. Pad save made by the Warriors. Finn has it in the corner. Now he's tied up. Back around the end wall. And deflected off of a Warriors player. Should be icing, and we do get the call. So face-off will head back down to the West St. Paul zone. Looks like it's going to be on the far side. Ship on the face-off. Both Nanamacher brothers are flanking him. Jameson ties up his man. Keenan comes out with it in the corner. And ahead to the half wall. Varun with a good hold sends it back down to the back down to the corner rather. Keenan battling for it. Now his brother goes to the corner. He absorbs a big hit. And Keenan comes out with it, trying to get a shot off in traffic. And Jameson absorbs another big hit. And now ship across, but West St. Paul controls, and they will send it down low. Henrik and Varun back checking hard, and centering pass, they fanned on it. And drop pass to the point, that one goes way too far and ends up back in the Warrior zone. And they lose the handle on their zone entry. Now it's loose, and Henrik absorbs a big hit. A couple Warriors players getting pretty close to charging penalties, in my opinion. They're very close to leaving their feet as they deliver these hits with momentum. Julian harassing his man, working hard to get that loose, and Soren now battling in the corner for it, and he's tied up his man. Soren comes out of the puck with it, or out of the scrum with it initially, but tied up, and so whistle, I'm not sure what it was for. It looked like Julian was tangled up with his man, but they didn't call a penalty, so not clear what was going on there. Chatterjee ends up with the puck, and he sends it ahead to the blue line. Warriors in possession, and good breakout pass to the red line for them. Shot comes in, pad save by Max, and sent to the slot on the backhand, though. Too far, and now it's loose behind the net. Chatterjee battling for it, pushes it ahead along the side wall. That's Stokes trying to clear. Now Stokes battling in the corner for it. Stokes gets it out through to Soren. Soren pushes it past his man, and he's going to skate down to the corner and try to get onto it. And battling for it, Will Martin across to help at the half wall. Alex trying to hold the zone. He does. Pushes it back down to the corner. And Will delivers a big hit, knocks his man down, and then looks to drop to the point, but it's picked off by a West St. Paul player. Get it across to Isaac Miller. And loose puck picked up by Chatterjee. Chatterjee had to Martin. He gets rid of it quickly, which was smart. And Brennan skates into the zone but has his pocket picked. Another good hit there from Will. And we're playing hard. Will needs to tag up as Brennan sends it down low. Long breakout pass. Felix in pursuit in the corner. Rides his man into the boards and ties it up. And Brennan takes a big hit. And we absorb another big hit. That's going to be a penalty. Warriors player drops Isaac. He's barking at him, but It's going to be a roughing penalty. Not really sure what distinguishes that hit from some of the other big hits that the Warriors have delivered tonight, but we will take it. Scots go on the power play. DJ goes with Amadeus by Falco. That is a real 80s throwback. Max out to play this one, plays it ahead, and start of the power play a little dicey. Puck to the point, wristed in by the Warriors wide, and Warner drops for Felix. Felix now skating up through traffic. Felix jumping into the attack, gets into the attacking zone. Felix trying to get the corner, gets behind the net, centering pass, picked off by the Warriors. They send it along the end wall. Finn covering, but unable to hold the zone as it gets all the way back to Max. Max leaves it for Henry, who gets it ahead to Charlie. Charlie still with it. Now he finds Ian. Ian gets through, and West St. Paul does well to come over and snuff out any chance he may have had. Finn picks it up. He's in the corner. He leaves it for Charlie. Charlie's still with it. He drops for Ian at the half wall. Ian changes direction and trying to get it across to Charlie, but sticked out by West St. Paul. Henrik sends it back down, and Finn back into the zone. Now West St. Paul throws it back down to our corner. Henrik back, and Henrik skating up through neutral ice. A West St. Paul player in pursuit. He's trying to get the corner. He leaves it. That's Charlie. Charlie drops for Kanan. Kanan to Quinn, back to Kanan. Back to Charlie in the circle, and quick wrister comes in. That one's saved. And that puck loose. Charlie's going to pick it up. Turns to the half wall, leaving it to the point as Varunu is coming on. And Varun holds, sends it to the half wall, but West St. Paul kills off the penalty. And both teams back to full strength. Henrik with a nice move to evade traffic. And then we get a good breakout pass to Jamison. Just a little ahead of him, but Ship is on to gather the loose puck, gets it down to the corner. Ship tied up. There's a chance, and Kanan's shot unfortunately deflected from the slot. Leave it for Chatterjee. It's through and deflected by Kanan wide. Jamison still battling for it down in the corner. Now Kanan over to join him. Chatterjee backtracking as the Warriors. That's got to be a penalty. Come on, ref. Chatterjee gets dumped from behind, and that should have been a tripping call. Terrible non-call. Loose puck picked up by Jamison. He'll go off for a change, and Julian will head down to chase the puck. Stokes also out there, and breakout pass ahead. Chatterjee ties up his man at the red line, pushes it ahead to Stokes. Stokes gets it down into the corner. Stokes in pursuit. Puck rimmed along the end wall. Soren over. Sent to the other side. Now at the half wall. Loose puck. Julian picks it up at the half wall. Julian down to the corner. Changes direction. Overskates it a bit. Still on it. Absorbs a hit. And I think he was trying to leave it for Chatterjee, but just too much traffic there. And Warriors get through. Max makes another save. Soren with it, and he goes cross ice, but that goes right to a Warriors player. That one trouble, and saved by Max. Warriors with the puck behind the net. They circle, come out, and shoot. That one goes wide. Comes out to the half wall, and Soren gets a big hit. Shot, pad save. And Warriors with the puck in the corner. Henry across. And shot goes wide. It's a little backhanded low shot. Puck in the corner. Chatterjee tied up. Sends it along. Isaac trying to play it. He's at the half wall. Henry now to the corner. And Brennan also looking to tie up his men. Warriors still with the puck. They leave it to the point. And that one deflected. Lots of traffic. And Max saves that as well. Warriors with 35 shots now. Max has saved 33. Puck is in the corner. Lots of players down there. Now it gets sent along the end wall. Warriors hold at the point. That puck out. So the Warriors will have to back up and try again. They throw it down low. Henry with it, changes direction. And then throws it back to his defensive partner, Felix. Felix, big stretch pass. That one deflected by the Warriors. So what? Come on, ref. That's not icing. It's deflected by the Warriors into their own zone. Garbage call from the Zebras. Ian out to take the face off. And he gets it back to Felix. Felix sends it along the end wall behind the net. That's Charlie trying to battle through traffic at the half wall. Loses his... No, the West St. Paul player lost his stick. They come out with it and flip it back down low. Ian sends it along the end wall and out. Now it's just above the circle and then sent down low. Felix picks it up, changes direction. Big hit from Felix. That'll be a cross-checking penalty. Warriors deserve that one richly after all the hits they've been throwing out today. So delayed penalty coming. And we're working to get the puck back. And refs will make the call now. So Felix delivers a little punishment, and he will head to the box as a result. That penalty coming at 14:27 of the third period. Still 2-1 for the Warriors. They'll be on the power play for most of the rest of the game. Ship takes the face-off, and we clear. Ship down there trying to dig it out. And ahead to the red line. Good centering pass, but it is a little bit behind the Warriors player in the slot, and Max makes another save. So 2:05 to go in the ice box. The heat not working at the West St. Paul rink. So this rink colder than Charles Schultz, and the Warriors score. Pass to the high slot, and they send in a low shot and finally beat Max. Their 37th shot on goal, I believe. That one coming at exactly 15 minutes. That'll make it 3-1. So challenging now for the Scots to come back, but certainly doable. Ship out to take the face-off, pushed back to the blue line for the Warriors. Alex with it at the blue line. Flips it off of a Warriors player, and they push it into the zone. Chatterjee gathers the loose puck, goes cross-ice, too hot to handle for Kanan. And Warriors dump it down low again. Alex with it. And his pass is deflected. And loose puck. That one picked up by Keenan. He gets pushed off the puck. Yeah. So ref assesses coincidental minors, I believe. So Jamison heads to the box along with one of the Warriors players. We'll stick with 5-on-5. They'll be in the box for the rest of the game. 1:28 to go. Scots with a timeout, I believe. So quick timeout for the Scots. They'll discuss the empty net, I'm sure. .128 to go in the third. Dion doing calisthenics to stay warm. So DJ gives us Rock of Ages by Def Leppard, a classic from the 80s. We'll see if we can get to that rousing chorus before the puck drops. So 6-on-5, Julian out to take the draw, pushes it down into the corner. Stokes in pursuit, sent up to the half wall. Warriors trying to get that empty net goal. They have their pocket picked by Finn, who wisely drops it to Henry. Henry goes cross ice to Felix. Felix sends it up to Stokes. Julian pushes it down low and will chase. Finn wins it back. Centering pass right there on the doorstep. And we just couldn't quite get the end on the end of it. Soren picks it up and pushes it ahead, a little bit behind Finn. And penalty coming. West St. Paul heads to the box. I think it's a cross check. 56.2 to go. Scots will be 6-on-4 for the rest of the game, barring another penalty. So your lineup is going to be Ian, Finn, Charlie, Felix, Chatterjee, and Ship. Not sure who the extra attacker is technically, maybe Ship. And the puck held at the blue line by Felix. He sends it in on target and saved. Puck loose, Charlie picks it up. Charlie behind the net. Charlie looking for some space here. Gets it to Felix. Felix lines up the slap shot. Glove save, pushed out to the corner. Ship pressuring, trying to get the puck back. Picked up by Charlie. Charlie with a centering pass. And that one goes just wide. And because we're on the power play, no icing. Down to less than 20 seconds. Ian chasing. Charlie with it. Now Ian drops to the point. Chatterjee, his shot deflected by Ship. Finn's centering pass, he kind of fanned on it. And it's probably going to do it here for the evening. So 3-1 final. That'll do it at the ice box here. Max ends up with 33 saves on 36 shots. The Warriors, 14 saves on 15 shots. So Scots decisively outshot here and just outplayed by a bigger, stronger, faster team. So we'll see you on Saturday for the game at Mound West Tonka. Thanks for joining us. Have a good night.
Yep.